Have you ever wanted to get into flipping houses but didn't know where to start? Hi, my name is DC Fawcett, and I'd like to show you how to do deals like these deals that I did, even if you have very little cash and less than perfect credit, and without working night and day to make it happen. 14 years ago, I was in the same place you're at. I wanted to get into real estate, but I didn't know how to get started. So I started buying home study courses and attending as many live seminars as I could. And I have to tell you, the first year was very rough for me. What I discovered was I was trying to implement old and bad strategies that were being taught to me, and I fell to $109,000 in debt in my first year. This was very frustrating and almost put me out of business. However, I'm not a quitter, and I stuck with it because I was determined to make it work. Now, during my second year in the business, I developed my virtual real estate investing strategies, and I was able to pay off my debt and make over $200,000 in profit that year. I claimed financial freedom that year, and I have never had to worry about being in debt since then. My profit doubled every year from that point on because of the power of virtual real estate investing, which has allowed me to provide a $1 million waterfront home for my family, luxury cars for my wife and I, and private schools and the best sports teams for my kids. We take vacations whenever we want because I'm not tied to a 9-to-5 job, and because my business runs without me. I actually only spend a couple hours per week on my business, and I'd like you to have that same freedom. I'm offering to share my virtual investing strategies with you so you can avoid the typical struggles new investors face. And maybe we can do some deals together. I created this virtual real estate investing cheat sheet for you to help you get started. Click the download button below, and I'll send you my virtual real estate investing cheat sheet 100% for free. I was originally planning to sell this for $97, but I'm giving it away for free this week only. This cheat sheet will show you how to avoid all the struggles I had in my first year, so you can start making money in real estate right now. I'll also include my virtual real estate investing MiniCourse, which will show you how to pinpoint the best parts of town to buy in, how to get 100% financing for all of your deals, and how to avoid costly mistakes new investors make. You don't need any experience or special licenses to use these strategies. Click the button below, and I'll send you my cheat sheet and my mini course 100% for free. This is DC Fawcett, the boss of virtualrealestatinvesting.club. Now go invest like a boss.